Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete shared media and Instagram chats to remove photos, videos, and other files from your conversations, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account. Step 2. Tap the messenger icon in the top right corner to access your direct messages. Step 3. Select the conversation that contains the shared media you want to delete. Step 4. Tap the person's name or group name at the top of the chat to open conversation settings. Step 5. Scroll down and tap on Shared Photos and Videos to view all media files shared in this conversation. Step 6. Locate the photo, video, or file you want to delete from the chat. Step 7. Tap and hold on the media file until options appear, then select Unsend or Delete. Step 8. Confirm the deletion by tapping Unsend for everyone to remove the media from both your chat and the recipient's chat. Step 9. Note that deleted media will no longer be visible to anyone in the conversation once unsent. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.